The McLaren 765 LT Spider, a deep dive into the ultimate open-top supercar. In the world of high-performance supercars, few names carry as much prestige and respect as McLaren. This British automaker has a rich history in motorsports, particularly in Formula One racing, which has heavily influenced the development of their road-legal cars. One of the latest additions to McLaren's impressive lineup is the McLaren 765 LT Spider, a convertible variant of the already formidable 765 LT. This open-top supercar is a work of art, blending breathtaking design, cutting-edge technology, and awe-inspiring performance. In this in-depth exploration, we'll take a closer look at the McLaren 765 LT Spider, its design, engineering, performance, technology, and all the unique features that make it one of the most coveted supercars of our time. Before delving into the specifics of the McLaren 765 LT Spider, it's crucial to understand the context in which this remarkable vehicle was conceived. McLaren Automotive, a subsidiary of McLaren Group, was founded in 2010 but carries a rich history in motorsports dating back to 1963 when it was established by Bruce McLaren. McLaren is renowned for its Formula One success, with an impressive track record of 20 World Constructors' Championships and 12 World Drivers' Championships. This motorsports heritage is the foundation upon which McLaren builds its road-legal supercars. The company's expertise in aerodynamics, lightweight construction, and cutting-edge engineering techniques has made them a dominant force in the world of high-performance automobiles. The McLaren 765 LT Spider is a testament to the company's relentless pursuit of excellence and their commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in automotive engineering. The design of the McLaren 765 LT Spider is nothing short of spectacular. It's immediately recognizable, featuring McLaren's iconic dihedral doors and a sculpted, aerodynamic body. The design is not just about aesthetics. Every line and curve serves a purpose, enhancing both the car's visual appeal and its performance. At the front, the 765 LT Spider showcases a low, aggressive stance with stunning LED headlights that flank the iconic McLaren logo in the center. The front splitter and side splitters are not merely visual elements, they're essential for generating downforce to keep the car stable at high speeds. It's a perfect blend of form and function. The sides of the car reveal dramatic air intakes, which serve multiple purposes. They provide cooling for the high-performance engine while also channeling air to create downforce, ensuring that the car remains planted to the road. The extensive use of carbon fiber body panels not only adds to the car's visual appeal but also contributes to its overall lightweight construction. The rear of the McLaren 765 LT Spider is equally mesmerizing. It features a large and adjustable wing that not only adds to the car's aesthetics but also significantly enhances its downforce and aerodynamic performance. The centrally mounted quad-exit exhaust system pays homage to McLaren's racing heritage, exuding power and aggression in equal measure. Convertible elegance. The 765 LT Spider's open-top design adds an extra layer of allure. It features a retractable hardtop that can be raised or lowered in a mere 11 seconds, even while you're driving at speeds of up to 31 miles per hour. This not only allows you to enjoy open-air motoring on a whim but also maintains the car's structural rigidity. A McLaren supercar is defined by its performance, and the 765 LT Spider is no exception. Underneath its beautifully designed body lies a powerhouse of an engine, a meticulously engineered chassis, and a range of performance-enhancing features that deliver an unparalleled driving experience. At the core of the 765 LT Spider is a 4.0-liter, twin-turbocharged V8 engine that generates an astounding 755 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. This engine is mated to a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, which delivers power to the rear wheels. This powertrain combination propels the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an astonishing 2.7 seconds and grants it a top speed of 205 miles per hour. What's most remarkable about this engine is the broad spread of power and torque throughout the rev range. This means that the 765 LT Spider is not only ferociously fast but also incredibly drivable, making it suitable for both spirited drives and everyday commuting. Performance isn't just about power and speed, it's about how well a car can handle that power. The McLaren 765 LT Spider excels in this regard. It's built upon a carbon fiber monocoque chassis that is both incredibly strong and lightweight. The suspension is race-inspired, fully adjustable to adapt to different driving conditions. This allows the 765 LT Spider to strike the perfect balance between on-track performance and on-road comfort. The steering is precise and communicative, offering the driver an immediate connection to the road. McLaren's proactive chassis control 2 system continuously monitors the car's dynamics and adapts the suspension settings in real time, ensuring optimal performance and stability. The 765 LT Spider features a high-performance braking system with carbon ceramic discs, which not only provide excellent stopping power but also reduce unsprung weight. This enhances the car's ability to grip the road and maintain control even during aggressive braking maneuvers. The tires are specially designed for the 765 LT Spider to deliver maximum grip and handling performance. These tires are crucial in allowing the car to put its power down effectively and navigate corners with precision. The McLaren 765 LT Spider isn't just a raw powerhouse, it's also a showcase of advanced technology that enhances the driving experience. The 765 LT Spider is equipped with a cutting-edge infotainment system that includes a touchscreen display, smartphone integration, and a premium audio system. While the car's primary focus is on driving, McLaren ensures that the driver and passenger enjoy a comfortable and connected experience. For those who desire to push the limits of their driving skills, the 765 LT Spider offers McLaren track telemetry. This system allows drivers to record and analyze their on-track performance. It includes features like lap time recording, data logging, and real-time feedback, enabling enthusiasts to improve their driving skills and lap times. Despite being a high-performance supercar, the McLaren 765 LT Spider is equipped with various driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and parking sensors. These features enhance both safety and convenience, making the car a versatile choice for daily driving. McLaren uses carbon fiber extensively in the construction of the 765 LT Spider. This lightweight and incredibly strong material not only contributes to the car's exceptional performance but also enhances safety. The car's aerodynamics are fine-tuned using advanced computational fluid dynamics (CFD) simulations and wind tunnel testing. This ensures optimal downforce and aerodynamic efficiency, which is critical for maintaining stability at high speeds and during aggressive cornering. For experienced drivers seeking a more engaging experience, the 765 LT Spider features variable drift control (VDC). This feature allows drivers to adjust the car's stability control system to their liking, providing them with more control over the car's behavior and enabling skilled drivers to explore the limits of their ability apart. The McLaren 765 LT Spider isn't just another supercar, it's a masterpiece of engineering and design, and it's packed with unique features that set it apart from the crowd. McLaren offers extensive customization options through McLaren Special Operations (MSO), allowing buyers to personalize their 765 LT Spider with unique paint colors, bespoke interior materials, and other special touches. This means each 765 LT Spider can be a one-of-a-kind creation, tailored to the owner's preferences. Inside, the 765 LT Spider is intentionally stripped down to save weight. Luxury features are optional, emphasizing the car's focus on performance. The philosophy is clear: less weight means better performance. The 765 LT Spider features lightweight alloy wheels designed exclusively for this model. These wheels are not only visually striking but also contribute to the car's performance by reducing unsprung weight. Like many McLaren models, the 765 LT Spider is produced in limited quantities, adding to its exclusivity and desirability among collectors and enthusiasts. This rarity makes it a sought-after piece of automotive art. In conclusion, the McLaren 765 LT Spider is a masterpiece of automotive engineering and design. It embodies the essence of McLaren's racing heritage while offering the thrill of open-top motoring. With a lightweight construction, a powerhouse of an engine, and a chassis designed for precision, it's a car that delivers an unparalleled driving experience on both the road and the track. It's a car that represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering and is sure to be remembered as one of the iconic supercars of its era. It combines technology, performance, and design in a way that few cars can match, setting a standard for excellence that will be appreciated by enthusiasts and collectors for years to come.